The 2011 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, driver airbag, Bluetooth, fog lamps, passenger airbag, trip computer, heated front seats, remote power door locks, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, leather and wood steering wheels, Sirius satellite radio, heads-up display, rear view camera, power heated outside mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.